stage. That was like quite a big cheer. So we are like an ensemble of I might say musicians, yeah. We are like an ensemble of few people who are like very much into music, and yeah, we hail from really different backgrounds. It's like quite a random ensemble, to be honest. So yeah, we've been practicing for like 6 months, like I said, and we've had a lot of fun. And also, Minan, Meghna, and Nishant are going to be graduating this year. So it's going to be our first performance as well as our last performance with the same set of people, which is kind of sad. It's bittersweet. But yeah, we're trying to make the most of whatever time we had and whatever what time we got to practice with each other. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, it would be great if you could keep your phone on silent mode. Thank you.
We also really appreciate it if people don't cross-talk while we're singing, so that we're as audible as possible. Thank you so much for being here, ladies and gentlemen.
Basically, that's her teacher mode coming up and saying keep quiet.
Let's go, Minan!
Let's go, Minan!
We have basically 2 medleys and a couple of individual songs that we each really like working on. We have loved everything we have put together for you so far, and we hope that love is conveyed to you guys as well today. So we'll start with the medley now.
Jalan dekat you. And now for our next one, any heartbroken people in the crowd? We're going to put a little
Very
song that you
honest.
would. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can't see. Who knows? I felt it from the first embrace I shared with you.
But now our dreams have finally come true. City of stars, just one thing everybody wants. There in the bars and through the smoke spring of the crowded restaurants. It's love. Guess all we're looking for is love from someone else.
A rush,
A glance,
a touch,
a dance, a look in somebody's eyes, to light up the skies, to open the world, to set you breathing, a voice that says I'll be here, and you'll be alright. I don't care if I know just where I will go, 'cause all that I need is this crazy feeling, a right tap on my heart.
think I wanted to stay. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars,
You never shine so brightly.
जिंदगी एक गीत है, इसे होठों पे सजाने, गम हो या खुशी हो, प्यार से गुनगुनाने। जिंदगी एक गीत है, इसे होठों पे सजाने, गम हो या खुशी हो, प्यार से गुनगुनाने। दिन हो या रात हो, दिल की ही बात हो, कोई ना जो साथ हो,
But Nishant was my introduction to them, and he's the reason I'm part of this band. Thank you so much for that. Only night of going to be nice. And thank you so much for being very, very patient with every mood swing that changed my selection of songs. He's gone through an innumerable number of iterations just helping me pick the song, and I actually changed it again, and Nishant said no, so this is why I'm singing it. It's not my choice. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Can you do Bumblebee?
I'll wait for the end of the show. We may consider. Thank you so much for all for coming here. It's the first time I'm singing solo on this campus. Before I get into it, is there anyone from Maharashtra in the audience? This is for everyone who's asked me where I'm from, and then when I've said Mumbai, they've asked me if I know Marathi. So I guess we'll say. ही चाल तुरु तुरु उडती केस कुरु कुरु डाव्या डोळ्यावर पकडली जशी मावळ्यातल्या उन्हात केवळ्याच्या पाण्यात नादीन सळसळली ही चाल तुरु तुरु उडती केस कुरु कुरु डाव्या डोळ्यावर पकडली जशी मावळ्यातल्या उन्हात केवळ्याच्या पाण्यात नादीन सळसळली इथं कुणी आसपासना डोळ्याच्या कोणात आसना तू जरा माझ्याशी बोलना ओठांची मोहर खोलना इथं कुणी आसपासना डोळ्याच्या कोणात आसना तू जरा माझ्याशी बोलना ओठांची मोहर खोलना तुला गपक मग वळून पाहत वाट पावलात अडकळली जशी मावळातल्या उन्हात केवळच्या वनात नागीन सळसळली ही चाल तुरु तुरु उडती केस कुरु कुरु डाव्या डोळ्यावर पकडली जशी मावळातल्या उन्हात केवळच्या वनात नागीन सळसळली फुगाचा पोवैना लुना फुगाचा रुसवा लुना बदल चाचपून हाताना ओठ जरा दाबीशी दाताना फुगाचा पोवैना लुना फुगाचा रुसवा लुना बदल चाचपून हाताना ओठ जरा दाबीशी दाताना राग जीव घेत खोट खोटच पाहत आता माझं मन फुट कळली जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवळच्या मनात नागीन सळसळली ही चाल तुरु तुरु उडती केस कुरु कुरु डाव्या डोळ्यावर पकडली जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवळच्या मनात नागीन सळसळली ही चाल तुरु तुरु उडती केस कुरु कुरु डाव्या डोळ्यावर पकडली जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवळच्या मनात नागीन So basically, this is something that happened yesterday. We were sticking posters, and I don't think I should be taking names, but anyway, that person is here definitely. So we were sticking posters, and someone came and asked if we'll have snacks, and if we can drive them into coming through snacks. And we were like, no, we don't have snacks. And he was like, well, wrong answer. You have Arnav Anish.
Before I start, I just want to applaud my friends in the crowd and I just go at the beginning. And I just wanted to say, like, in the last few months, this group has been it's been one of the most special things ever for me. I mean, I'm not just saying emotionally, and even like to make me a better singer, make me more confident. Everything has been. Stop crying. Cry out. Yeah. So more words of appreciation later, and yeah, for now, I hope you like Billy Joel. She's got a way about her. Don't know what it is, but I know that I can't live without her. She's got a way of pleasing. Don't know what it is, but that doesn't have to be a reason. She's got a smile that heals me. Don't know what it is, but I have to laugh when she reveals me. She's got a way of talking. Don't know what it is, but it lifts me up when we are walking anywhere. She comes to me when I'm feeling down, inspires me without a sound. She touches me and I get turned around. She's got a way of showing how I make her feel, and I find the strength to keep on going. She's got a light around her. Whoa, and everywhere she goes, a million dreams of love surround her. Everywhere. She comes to me when I'm feeling down, inspires me without a sound. She touches me, I get turned around. She's got a smile that heals me. Don't know what it is, but I have to laugh when she reveals me. She's got a way about her. Whoa, I don't know what it is, but I know that I can't live without her anywhere.
Hello, check. Audible? Great. All right. Any James Bond fans in the house? Okay, all right. So for the last of the individual sets, we're gonna go out with a bang, presenting Skyfall.
This is a final medley we're going to be performing, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
fellow musicians, Meghna, Vinod. I mean, the amount of patience they must have had to put up with like us changing sets randomly in the middle, writing new harmonies, writing old harmonies, scrapping everything and starting from scratch, going through every single detail. I mean, I nitpick a lot when I sing. So, thank you so much for all your patience and kindness. Few other people would like to thank. A huge thank you to Anand over there. Originally, the idea was that we didn't want to have a choir, and instead, Anand sort of, we all got together and we were like, yeah, let's just do something cool. It'll be mad fun, and that's how this group started. It has a very spur of the moment starting story. So, thank you so much, Anand, for all your support and help. We'd like to thank Alok and Wilson as well. I believe Wilson wanted to talk to Anand and just got roped into helping set this up for us. So thank you so much for that. We'd like to thank Arun Kumar, ACC, and everybody in the IMF team for helping bring the setup here so for Canada. And we'd like to thank Shukrita and Ashwin and a huge thank you to all of our friends for putting up with our insane practice and the class watching left, right and center, and all of them have been nothing but kind and supportive, so thank you so much. And finally, thank you all for being here. You were lovely.
There is one thing we've been consistent with other than practice, getting sick, and Navya has been always getting us cough drops, hence the name cough drops. So thank you so much, Navya, and she's been like our vocal arranger for the entire thing, making harmonies. Yesterday we were changing parts and making harmonies. So thank you so much, Navya. We love you a lot.
But this is poetic because our last packet of recorder just got over today. It's a little poetic.
Yeah, this is Cough Drop signing off. Thank you so much.